For meditation, any sitting position is fine. Normally, we are now not used to Sukhasan or Padmasan or Vajrasan. We are not used to all these things. So any comfortable sitting position in a chair is fine. And if you want to sleep after the meditation, like if you're doing at night, then you can lie down and do the meditation. In between, you might fall asleep. That's fine, right? If you are not able to do in the morning, that is the best time I'm saying.
Correct.
So you don't have to do at the best time. Whatever time is convenient to you, you can do during that time. Now I have a student who's working 12 hours in a day. Only time he's getting is while traveling. So he can do while traveling. Whatever is best in your situation, right? Right now, like Mika Visui, he was also working for the government. So while he was working, he was doing meditation whenever he could do it. But when he got retired, then he went to Mount Kurama and he did that. While he was working, it was not possible. She is working for ICICI Bank. Now, she may not be possible for her. I don't know. Every person is also different. See, sometimes some people are morning person. They get up early in the morning. Like my eyes automatically, I will wake up at 5:30. I will wake up, means I cannot sleep more than that after that. Sometimes even if I sleep late, but by 6 o'clock I'm totally fresh and awake. But there are some people who are fresh at 10, 11, 12 also. They sleep little late, they wake up late. There are some people like that, like I feel sleepy after 11. It's not like I can't stay awake for such a long time. If I have to, then I can. But normally, on a normal day, I need to sleep at that time. I feel sleepy. So if you are a morning person, you can do in the morning. If you are a night person, you can do at night also. Whatever is best time for you.
Right.
That's fine. See, there are some things which are ideal. If you can't do the ideal, then I will not do it. ऐसा तो नहीं होना चाहिए. Ideal time is there. If you can't do that, then the second best. Not doing meditation is the worst thing you can do. Do meditation whenever you can. That is the best thing. You don't have to do it at the ideal time. So ऐसा भी रेकी प्रैक्टिशनर होगा, नहीं आपने बोला था सुबह में रेकी करना है, सुबह तो नहीं हो रहा है तो मैं नहीं करूँगा, ऐसा नहीं. So there are very rare students like that. But then I tell them कि भाई, before going to sleep, you do 1 hour of Reiki or half an hour of Reiki. अगर आप 12 बजे सोते हो तो 12:30 बजे सो जाओ. आधा घंटा रेकी करने के बाद सो जाओ, क्योंकि सुबह तो आपसे नहीं हो रही. तो यू डू एट नाइट.
The primary reason is सुबह बहुत ज्यादा chaos होता है.
Yeah, whatever it is, yeah.
There is a lot
Everybody's
of things going on.
life,
So, रात को
everybody's
सब सोए रहते हैं,
lifestyle.
then I can focus on myself.
Everybody
That
is
that the
unique.
point. Yeah.
Everybody is unique. Your life is unique. Your circumstances are unique. So you have to do it accordingly. But you have to do it. That is more important. करना जरूरी है. कब करो वो आपके ऊपर है. आइडियल भी बता दिया और ये भी बता दिया कि you can do it whatever is comfortable.